in the following statements to make true, to make them true. Now, see here. First, we have to solve this, and then we could decide whether this is greater, which is smaller, or both are equal. Now, see, for that, here addition is there of the integers having same signs. When addition of integers they are of same sign, here sign is negative, no? So answer will be in negative, and we have to add the integers. Okay? So minus 20 here we got. And here see, both having different signs. So what we have to do? Take the absolute values. Now minus 30 absolute value is greater than absolute value of 10, and we have to do the subtraction, correct, of their absolute values. So as minus this absolute value is greater, answer will be negative. So now absolute value of minus 30 is 30 minus 10, that is minus 20. Here answer is minus 20, and here is also minus 20. So both are equal. So which sign will come? Equal sign will come. Got it? Same way here we have to do. Now here we have to do subtraction. Here this is subtraction. Means what we'll do? We'll take additive inverse of subtrahend. That is minus 21. And what is the additive inverse of minus 10? Plus 10. Correct? Like this. Okay. First we will solve. Now here minus, here addition is there, and both integers having same sign. So what answer will be in minus, same sign will be, and inside we have to add this number. So here what we will get? 112, 4 plus 2, 6, minus 62. Here see, both having different signs. Okay. So what we will do? We will take absolute value of minus 21. It will be plus 21. And this is absolute value of this is greater than absolute value of plus 10. So answer will be negative. Why negative? Because 21 is having negative sign and its absolute value is greater. So answer will be negative. Okay. And we have to subtract. Answer will be negative, and we have to subtract the absolute values. Okay. So here see minus. Now 21 minus 10 is how much? 11. Correct? That is minus 11, and here minus 62. Now let us compare. Minus 11 is greater or minus 62 is greater? Come on, tell me. This, though the number is greater, its value is less than this. So minus 11 is greater than minus 62. In this way, we have to solve and we have to compare. Now see third one, minus 80 plus 20. So here both having different signs. So what we will take? Take absolute value. Now absolute value of this is greater than this, correct? Absolute value of minus 80 is 80 and 20 is 20. So this is greater than 20. So answer will be negative, correct? And we have to do the subtraction of absolute value. Absolute value of answer will be negative, final answer, because of this minus absolute value of 20. So here minus what is absolute value of minus 80 is 80 minus 20. So 80 minus 20 is 60. Here minus 60 this side we got. Now here let us see. Here subtraction is there. So what we have to do? We have to take additive inverse of subtrahend. So how minus 80, and how to write that? See, like this. Correct? Now next, why did I take here additive inverse? Because here minus subtraction is there. That's why. Then now again see minus 80 plus 20. So we have to both having different signs. That means we have to take absolute values. Now this will be greater than this. So final answer will be in negative, and take the absolute value of minus 80 and subtract absolute value of 20 from that. Okay. So it will be minus 80 minus 20. It will be minus 60. Now see, here also minus 60, here also minus 60. Correct? So both are equal. So these both are equal. Final answer. Now here also subtraction is there. So as subtraction is there, what do? We are taking the additive inverse of subtrahend. What is additive inverse of this? Plus. So here plus 25. And now do addition. 5 plus 5, 10. And 6 plus 3, 9. Here 190 we got. Now let us see here what. Here also subtraction is there. So take additive inverse of 50. What is additive inverse of 50? It will be minus 50. Correct? Now both having minus sign. So take minus outside. Inside 10 plus 50 will remain. Correct? As both signs are common, I have taken it outside. Inside plus it will be there. So minus 60. Now who is greater? Plus 190 is greater or minus 60 is greater? Always positive integers are greater. So 190 is greater. So in this who is greater? This is greater. Followed? Now see your students, here minus 6, minus 9 and minus of minus 21. Means here subtraction is there, no? Of minus 28. So this additive inverse we have to take. So how to write the same? Minus 6, minus 9. What is additive inverse of minus 28? Plus 20. Correct? Now both these having same sign. So take outside and add them. Plus 20. Now 6 plus 9, 15. That is minus 15 plus 28. Now see, one is minus, one is plus. Then in that case what we have to do? Take absolute values and subtract them. Okay? And the sign of the final answer will be of greater absolute value. Now see, 28 is greater. Absolute value of this is greater than this. And 28 is having positive sign. So final answer will be in positive. So how to write that? 20. Absolute value of 28. From this we have to subtract absolute value of minus 15. And the absolute value. And answer will be positive. So 28 minus 15 is 13. So this is the answer. Okay. What did I do? Here see, both these having same, and this is subtraction of this. So I took the additive inverse of that. This. What is additive inverse of this? Plus. So how to write? Minus 9, minus 6, minus 9, plus 28. Now both these having same signs. So take it outside and add. It becomes 6 plus 9. That is minus 15. And this plus 28. Now take absolute values. Okay. Compare who is greater. 28's absolute value is greater. So subtract 28 absolute value of 28 minus absolute value of 15. And the answer will be positive only because 28 is having positive sign. Follow? Now next here. Here what we have to do? We have to take the integers which have same signs. Take them together. That is minus 13, minus 8, minus 1 and plus 32. I will write So now see here, minus sign take and 13. Inside what will happen? Here all from these three, I took minus sign aside. So here they will get added. Plus 32 right as it is. Now minus, do addition. 13 plus 8, 21 plus 1, 22. That is minus 22 plus 32. Again, as both are different sign, take their absolute values. Okay. Now absolute value of plus 32 it is greater. So subtract. Absolute value of 32 minus absolute value of 22. Okay. And of course answer will be positive. Why? Because 32 is having plus sign. So that is 32 minus 22. It will be, what will be the answer? 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 2 1. This is the answer. Okay. Now see here, fourth one, find in that third one minus 7 plus minus 8 plus minus 19 minus 22. So here what we will do? Minus 7 and here this you can write minus 8, this you can write minus 19 and this minus of minus 22. Okay. Now see, these all integers having, these all having minus sign. So take it outside and inside it will be plus, then minus of minus 22. So minus, add 8 plus 7, 15 and this will be minus 105 of minus 22. Now as subtraction is there, take additive inverse of this. It will be minus 105 plus 22. Now here see both having different sign. So take absolute values. This is greater than this. So answer will be negative. That is absolute value of minus 105 plus, as the different signs are there, we have to subtract absolute values. Okay. So and final answer will be negative. So that is 105. Absolute value of minus 105 is 105 and this is 22. And final answer will be minus. Now to subtract 5 minus 2, 10 minus 2, 8. So answer is minus 82. What did I do? See here, minus 7. Here plus was there, so this sign we have to write as it is. So minus 7, minus 8, minus 19. Okay. So take minus from minus common. So inside what will remain? This only and plus sign. These integers and plus sign. Add them. Okay. Afterward, here why did I keep? Because here subtraction and inside minus 22. So that I kept as it is. Subtraction is there. So take this is the subtrahend. So take additive inverse of this. Then how to write additive inverse of this? This it will come minus 105 and additive inverse of minus 22 is plus 22. So how to write in this way? Okay. And then regularly how do we do? Take absolute values, compare those whose absolute value is greater. That answers that absolute value sign will be there to the final answer, and we have to do subtraction. Okay. In this way we have to solve. Now here see. Here what we have to do? This is plus, this is plus. So these two numbers I took aside. Okay. Then minus of minus 40, minus of minus 14. Okay. So add these two. So these addition will be 77 minus. Now both these having same signs, no? So minus this add. See this minus sign and minus 40 minus this. We have to do addition. Both having same sign, so do addition, and that answer will also come negative. Okay. Now subtraction of minus 54. So this is the subtract. Take additive inverse, it will be plus 54. So the answer is add 131. What did I do here? Here what is the sign of 50? Here front nothing is there, that is plus. This is plus. So these two I added together. Okay. Then minus sign, minus of minus 14 and minus of minus 14. Okay. Then what we have to do? See, both these having same sign. So that take together 7. This answer 77. This minus sign. In bracket I took minus 14 minus 14. Okay. So that now both having same sign, so add, and sign will be negative. So that answer came minus 54. Now 70 subtraction of this. So take additive inverse, and how to write that? 77. What is additive inverse of minus 54? Plus 54. And we have to add. Followed? Question number 5. In Mussoorie, the temperature was minus 3 degrees Celsius at 7 p.m. If the temperature dropped further by 5 degrees Celsius at night, what is the temperature in the night? See, at 5 p.m., 7 p.m. it was minus 3. At night, it dropped. Drop means decreased. So for decrease, which sign do we use? We are using minus. It decreased by minus 5. Okay. So now see, both having same sign. That means we have to add the integers, and the sign will remain same. That is minus 8. Correct? So how we will write the answer? The temperature in the night is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Followed? See, at 7 p.m. it was minus 3 degree. Night it dropped, means minus 5. So both signs are same. Take common, then it will get add plus 5. That is 8. So the temperature in the night is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Followed? Now see here, addition of two opposite integers. Opposite integers means what? See, plus 7. What is opposite of plus 7? Minus 7. Okay. Minus 3. What is opposite of it? Plus 3. Okay. Opposite integers. So, see here. Addition of two opposite integers. Opposite integers on addition gives 0. Because see, plus 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. See here? Plus 2 minus 2, 0. 7 plus minus 7, 0. That is, opposite integers on addition gives answer 0. They are called additive inverse of each other. Opposite numbers are called as additive inverse of each other. Okay. For example, say additive inverse of minus 6. It is plus 6. Opposite. Additive inverse of here 18. No sign is there. That means it is plus 18. So what is opposite integer of it? Minus 18. And they are also called as additive inverse. Okay. Now we will solve practice 4.3. In that question number 1, find the sum of the following. Okay. See now here the numbers having or integers having different signs. That addition we have to do. So in that case, what do? We are taking their absolute values. Okay. we are comparing their absolute values, and then from the bigger we are subtracting the smaller one. So absolute value of 9 is 9, and absolute value of 5 minus 5 is there, no? Absolute value of minus 5 is 5, because absolute values always they are positive. So who is greater? Absolute value of is greater than absolute value of minus 5. Okay. Therefore, what we have to do? We have to subtract absolute value. Okay. And what is the sign of absolute greater or absolute value? Plus. So see here, 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. Absolute value of 9 is 9 minus absolute value of minus 5 is 5, and answer is 4. It will be positive because greater who is there? 9, and its sign is plus. So absolute this answer will be plus. Follow? Now here see. Here absolute value of 6 is 6, then absolute value of minus 13, what it will be? Plus 13. Now who is greater? Absolute value of minus 13 is 13. It is greater than this, correct? Is greater than absolute value of 6. So the answer will be negative, because negative absolute value is greater, correct? So therefore answer will be negative. That negative sign take outside, and inside minus 13 minus 6, that is minus absolute value of minus 13 is 13 and 6 is 6. So 13 minus 6 is how much? 7, and is minus 7. So answer is minus 7. Follow? Now next, here see. Both having same signs, so they will get add. Okay, this minus sign we have to take common, and 3 plus 6, it will be 9, and their common sign will be outside that. So answer will get that common sign. Okay, see minus minus I took outside, and plus 3 inside, only 3 plus 6. 9. Follow? Next, why did I took it common? Because see both having same value, same signs. When same signs are there, we have to add. Okay, that rule we have learned already, and the sign we have to give whatever they have. Now next is, see again they have the different signs, so you have to take absolute values. Absolute value of minus 7, it is 7, and absolute value of 18, it is 18 only. So who is greater? Absolute value of this 18 is greater than minus 7. Therefore the answer, now 18 has which sign? Positive. So answer will come absolute value of 18 minus absolute value of minus 7. Okay. What is absolute value of 18? 18. And what is absolute value of 7? 7. So 18 minus 7 how much? 11. And it has positive sign. Why? Because 18 is positive. Whose absolute value is greater? Whose absolute value is greater, that number sign gets to the answer. Okay. Next. Now here see 3 numbers are there. So what we will do? We will take the numbers which have same sign together. So see here 18 has plus sign. No, nothing is there means plus. So that is 18 plus 7 we do, and then minus 5. Okay. this has different signs, so we have kept it aside. Now 18 plus 7, 25 plus minus 5. Got it? What did I do? The numbers having same sign take together, and the number having different sign keep aside. Now next again see both having the different signs. So take absolute values. Absolute value of 25. Absolute value how to write? Like this sign. Okay. 25 is 25. And absolute value of minus 5 is 5 plus 5. Then what we are doing? As different signs, we are subtracting their absolute values. So therefore, absolute value of 25 minus absolute value of 5. From bigger we are subtracting the smaller. So 25